everyone, for those who don't know me, my name's Tasha. I'm 15 and I actually just turned 15 in October. I'm a sophomore, even though most people say I should be a freshman with the height of a 5th grader. Um, I am in Project More, same as Jason, and I don't know who else. So I'm gonna be on here making videos along with Hunter, Jason, Brad, and I don't really know who else is gonna be on, but I'm sure you'll love them. Um, I am both a country girl and a city girl. I've lived in the country most of my life, but for a few years I lived in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So, and yesterday was Christmas, and I got a puppy who is right now sleeping. Thank God. So I'm gonna be take, making videos like the rest of them, but my view. So you like it, you like it. I'm out for now. Bye.